Hi guys! Today we're going to be working on these multichrome and holo fireworks for New Year's. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did these, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm using China Glaze Liquid Leather, and then I'm going to top that with Sèche Vite to make sure that it's fully dry before moving on to the gel. Once your regular polish base color is fully dry, you can start adding the stripes for the fireworks. I'm going to be using Madame Glam's No Wipe top coat, as well as a striper brush, and I'm going to start by adding the stripes for the multichrome. Once you've cured, you can go and start with the pigment. I'm going to be using the same color on these middle two nails since the bursts kind of line up. All the other nails are going to have different colors. Once you've buffed on the chrome, you can go ahead and wipe off any excess with a makeup wedge. And then I'm going to go ahead and paint on the stripes for the holographic pigment. Once you've cured again, you can add the holographic pigment. Make sure to brush off any loose pigment again, and then finish with a final layer of the gel top coat. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pleased with how this turned out. This is actually pretty much the same design that I'd been planning for my longer nails, but I got a little bit fed up with my patches and day after Christmas ended up chopping them all off, as you can see. If you'd like to check out that actual process, the video went up on YouTube yesterday, and if you'd like to see the testing and extended tutorial for this one, that will go up on YouTube tomorrow. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this design down in the comments. Hope you all have a safe and happy New Year. And as always, thanks for watching.